Kasi may mga kasama rin kayong OGs ng mga talagang 90s, 80s divas.
Yeah, well, I mean, pag nakakasama po kami, I mean, my mom is a legend, Mr. Sal Nava, of course, and all of the cast talaga, they're iconic, mga legends yan in OPM, and pag ganyan kasi nakasama ko, I just listen, I watch them, I really want to learn from them. Talagang pag nagkakwento sila, si Tita Tessie always helps me sa mga scenes din namin, and I'm just there to be open, kumbaga, and ang dami nilang experience, now they're passing it on to the new generation, as they say, and I'm thankful na nakatrabaho sila.
Zeph, ikaw naman.
Nung una po parang nakakakaba syempre, yun na nga po, mga legends sila. But as I stepped into the set with them, it already felt like a family. Talagang na-feel ko yung warmth nila, na-feel ko how they welcomed us, and parang yung willingness nila to guide us along the way. So I'm just so happy. Parang lahat po talaga, kumbaga God ordained yung bawat cast. I believe na we're all meant to be here and to work with each other.
Do you feel like ito yung pinakamalaki mo ng break as an actress?
Of course po, kasi ito talaga yung aside from that po, kasi yung story talaga parang may weight siya, hindi lang siya basta I mean, lahat naman ng mga palabas na ginagawa natin may weight, but personally I just feel it so much kasi nakaka-relate po ako, and I really want this show to not just inspire us to work harder and to stay in the industry, but also the people who are gonna be watching this, na kung ano man yung sinasabi ng like na may pangarap si Jenny, na merong kahit isang teenager na girl or boy na meron ding pangarap na mapapanood nila, and they will get motivated and inspired na, o nga no, parang kahit show lang yan, na-touch sila. So yun po yung weight nun for me, and every time na we meet on set, yun yung nag-fire sa passion natin.
Pero paano mo nakikita yung sarili mo doon sa character? And ano yung mga challenges ni Jenny na pinagdaanan mo rin as a person?
I would say from the start until dun sa mapapanood niyo po sa habang tumatakbo yung show, talagang nakaka-relate po ako bilang Zephanie, kasi nagsimula din naman po ako sa mga auditions, maraming struggles, like may mga nagsasabi talaga na baka hindi naman talaga yung para sa'yo, and again, kanina nabanggit ko na may rejection. I've experienced that many times for all the people na nakasubaybay sa journey ko ever since na nagsumasali akong competitions. Alam nila how I got rejected, how I failed at some point, pero one thing that Jenny and Zephanie parang have in common is they will never give up para sa mga pangarap po nila. Dahil naniniwala sila one day it will happen. And I believe this is a dream come true for not just me but all the cast na kasama ko. Kasi lahat po kami, kwento namin to, and I'm sure kwento din ng lahat ng mga kapatid.
Michael and Seth, can you answer us once and for all? Kasi may mga nagkatanong din kanina doon. Naging kayo ba noon? Kasi iba yung closeness nyo, iba yung datingan nyo. Like parang may si Michael noon, Steph was there, vice versa. Ano talaga?
Well, I mean, we're kids, right? And siguro po at the time when I moved here talaga, Zeph was one of my first friends. And masasabi ko hanggang doon lang naman talaga yung napuntahan niya, really good friends. And I mean, I work talaga muna at the time, kaya pagalitan ng parents ko noon kung maano. So, I mean, for me, it was a good relationship that we had. We grew apart somehow because na-busy ang kada schedules, di ba? But, I mean, what we can work on now is we're back together and the reunion of the friendship, and as co-workers, ang ganda din na nakakatuwa na we're together for this.
So, hindi ka naligaw kay Steph noon?
Nanligaw, hindi naman po parang ano lang talaga, naging close. Kaya aminado naman talaga naging close, and masaya naman maging kaibigan si Zeph.
Ikaw, Steph, ano naging sa'yo nung closeness nyo before? Wala lang bang label or what?
I agree with everything that Michael just said po. Siyempre, it's so normal na when you are walking with someone and when you're journeying with someone, talagang you admire them. And honestly, I've always admired Michael for his passion for yung mga pangarap din niya. Katulad sabi na kanina, hinahabol ko yung pangarap ko, and I can see that in him too. And I'm just so happy na, yun nga po, nung nag-start kaming dalawa, nandun kami to encourage each other. And when the time came na we had to go on like our own paths, parang nakaka-proud po na makita na, oh, like, nag-grow kayo, nag-start kayo together, and now we're back. So parang, again, I'm just so grateful na na-entrust po itong project na to sa aming dalawa kasi, yun nga, reunion. So it's
Yung time na nag-grow apart kayo, sabi nyo nga, nag-grow apart kayo. So medyo hindi kayo naging close noon, hindi kayo in communication noong mga time na yon, would you say? Tapos ngayon ba na, nung nalaman nyo na, ay kayo uli yung partner, may ilangan ba at first?
Siguro po lagi naman po kayo nakikita kasi sa AOS kami parehas. So, never man naman nawala yung connection with one another. We're always open to saying hi to each other. And wala talaga, that was a busy part in your career din. And for me, I was really focused on getting better. Workshops ako ng noon at the time and my shows din at the time. So,
Nag-BBB ka pa.
So, I mean, minsan talaga nahihirapan to bond with friends. Aminado naman po tayo lahat dun. And I'm just thankful na kahit sa set yun, nakakapag-bonding ulit kami.
How would you describe your chemistry now to be the someone to shine?
I would say parang it feels calmer. Parang mas kalmado na kasi syempre nag-grow na rin po kami, tumanda na kami, nag-mature na, and marami na kami pinagdaanan individually. So nandun yung talagang iba na din po talaga yung mindset namin. How we see work, how we see business. So ngayon parang peaceful lang. And it's like getting to know someone again.
Okay. Pag nakikita mo, sorry.
For me, in terms of chemistry, it's always been a rule of mine when I have a serye or kung anong project, ginagawa kong authentic. And kung ma-describe ko man tong partnership namin dito, siguro masasabi kong tulungan talaga kami. Nakita ko naman yung growth niya ever since nagsimula siya. And of course, hopefully, nagpo-progress din naman ako, right? And so nakita ko yung tulong niya sa akin sa eksena and yung support niya for not just me, but the whole cast of this show. So yung chemistry, it's always there. It's never gonna disappear kung talagang genuine ka sa isa't isa.
Yeah.
And if you mean for the better, I mean, it's always gonna be authentic.
Discover siya sa isa't isa nung before and ngayon na magkasama kayo. Na-discover niya sa isa't isa.
Na-discover.
Na ngayon, second time around.
I think it's prominent talaga nag-mature kami parehas. I mean, we're at an age that we're entering, kumbaga, the early adulthood, right? So we're early 20s, but at the same time, grabe din yung mga pinagdadaanan ni Zeph, and she always makes kwento sometimes. So parang nakita ko sa kanya yung reflection of how tough she is, how resilient she is. And that's something that admires me na every time na nakikita kami or nagkaka-work, nakikita ko yun sa kanya.
Michael,
Stephanie.
question lang, how do you describe yung tinakbo ng career mo and now that you are leading?
I'm so thankful because last year, kinilig talaga ako in My Ilonggo Girl when they mentioned na leading man in the introduction. And siguro for me, it's always been my goal to make it there. And I'm taking one step at a time, kumbaga. Ngayon naman, after Pinoy Big Brother, all the things that happened last year unexpectedly, now I'm blessed with another show, Born to Shine. And in this show, it's really, I'm just here to support Zeph as whatever I can do as her leading man dito. And sana maging step na naman to further for my goals in my career, and I'm just thankful for the network that they keep on trusting.
Michael, ngayong magkakasama ulit kayo ni Stephanie, may mga fans kasi na nag-ship sa inyong dalawa, di ba marami? So, may aasahan ba ang mga fans na pwedeng ma-develop kayo into something special?
Sa akin ba sa amin?
Sa inyo dalawa.
Okay. Oh, Zeph, go ahead.
Again, right now, I know both of us we really want this show to work. And I'm just really happy na, syempre po, nakakabalik lang ulit namin na mag-work together. Focus po talaga kami sa Born to Shine. And it's really discovering more about ourselves for now. And then working together, parang imparting those discoveries from our individual paths. So, I don't know, but right now talaga po, we're just happy na magka-work kami ulit.
Oh, for me po, I mean, natural naman yan kung magka-develop ang isa't isa. And for me, it depends on the priorities of one another. Ako, my mindset into the show is really improving to be better. And now that I'm given a project with Zeph, siguro I can see the challenges that I have to take. And wala, I agree with Zeph, masaya magtrabaho na happy ang set, kumbaga. And yung relationship namin, I mean, it just grows fonder to be a more enjoyable, fun time, and no complaints when I'm with her.
Last lang, in one word, how would you describe each other? Or what do you like most about her or about him? One word. Now, ha? Now you see.
Zeph, to describe her in one word, resilient, for sure. From the times that I've known her before till now, talagang lumalaban siya for her dreams.
Kay
Sep.
Michael talaga, he's so passionate. Yeah. No need to explain.
Yes,
You know it.
Okay.